Hi, I'm Jennifer Ormond, and I'm the administrator for the Northern Michigan University Parents Group. Recently, the admin team has noticed some struggles with navigating this group, so I decided to put together this quick tutorial. Welcome to NMU Parents, How to Use This Group 101. Our hope is that your experience in our group will be much easier after watching this tutorial. Come along with me to my office now, and I'll show you what it looks like. As we move through this tutorial, feel free to pause and try things out for yourself and come back to this video when you are through. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is the home page of your NMU Parents Group. The top of this page has tons of useful features. You can see how many members we have, invite people to join, and share the group to your own page. Today, we'll be talking about certain key features from this page, and I will go into detail with them later. From this top ribbon, you can access a lot of information. The Discussion tab shows all the posts on the page. Select the Featured tab, and you will see posts that our admin team feels need to stay visible. This used to be called Pinned Posts until Facebook changed it. The Files tab shows some helpful documents created by the admin team with frequently asked questions and resources. Finally, the magnifying glass is the search feature for this page, and I'll show you how to use it. Let's begin with Featured Posts. Click on the Featured tab and it will take you to a new screen. Here, you will find any previously written posts the admin wants you to have easy access to right at the top of the feed. Spend some time today reading through these posts so you have the most important information right at your fingertips. Next, let's explore the Files tab. Click on the Files tab and you'll be directed to the files the admin team has uploaded. These are works in progress, and more will be added as we grow. Remember, our team is made up entirely of volunteers, so we can only get information out as we have time to create it. Right now, you can get lots of information on tutoring services, travel information, and student support services. Feeling overwhelmed yet? Let's move on to some frequently asked questions. Let's talk about repeat posts. You know who you are. You start your post with, "I'm not sure if this has been asked before, but..." Did you know all Facebook groups have a nifty tool to figure this out before you post your post? Now we aren't trying to prevent you from asking any question you have. What we are saying is that by the 50th post asking for a mechanic, you might not get many responses. Parents, frankly, are tired of responding to the same questions over and over again. This is the magnifying glass. Click on it and you will be brought to a search bar. You can type keywords into this search bar and the search results will give you any posts that contain those keywords. Let's give it a shot. Type in auto mechanic and hit enter. Boom! You can see all the posts that have ever been posted asking about a mechanic. Pretty neat, right? It saves you the time of waiting around for answers, and it saves the rest of the group from groaning, "Ugh, not another one." Speaking of posts, are you wondering why your posts are out of order? Maybe you're seeing old posts. Maybe your posts are showing up with something posted today, followed by something posted a month ago, followed by something posted last week. You can fix this too. Here are two different views on how to change these settings. This works in any Facebook group you belong to. From the computer, click where it says New Posts and the drop-down arrow. If you don't have your posts already set to new posts, it might say Most Relevant or Newest Activity. Whatever it says, select it to change it to the setting you prefer. This is the view from a cell phone or tablet. Click on these bars with the circles to get the same options. When you click on either the drop-down arrow or the bars with circles, this option will appear. Select the one you prefer to have your feed show. As you are reading through posts, you come across something that you really want to share with your student. You hit send, but your student can't see it. Or maybe you try to tag your student in the comments like you do on other things you see on Facebook, but your student can't see it. Why is this? Our group is a private group. This means the only people that can see things in our group are the people that have been admitted to this group, whether you try to share it or try to tag people. You all had to answer membership questions when you were being admitted to this group. We keep this group private for a number of reasons. First, we have all been in groups that are inundated with spam posts. We do our best to keep that out of this group. Second, parents sometimes share sensitive information. We do our best to keep that information within this community. The second point is also one of the main reasons why we do not admit students to this group. Parents, we beg of you, please stop inviting your students to join this group. So much of our time is spent filtering out requests from students trying to gain access. Some of your children have even gone so far as to lie about who they are, saying they are the parent or even a guardian to a student, when the student's parents are actually in here already. This is a space for parents. The students have a wealth of resources at their disposal at the university. We know we post a lot of information that can be helpful to your students, and we do encourage you to share information with them. But you cannot share this information directly from the group. Here's how you can share links to things we post. Notice the private post shows this icon in the top. This means it is only visible to members of this group. Also, when you go to share it, it says send and not share. This will send it to an instant messenger page, but your student will not be able to read it because it comes from a private group. Alternatively, if you click on the post itself, it will take you to the page it originated from. Notice in this original post, the privacy settings have a globe. This means it is a public post and anyone on Facebook can see it. You can also share it to your own page, to an instant message account, to another person's profile, or to any group you belong to. And because it is public, you can tag your student in the original post and they should be able to read it just fine. Thanks for taking the time to watch this brief tutorial. I hope that you were able to learn some helpful tips. Remember, you can message your admin team at any time with any questions you might have. Go Cats!